Evaluation is one such process where we learn a lot, because today's evaluators also might take it rightly what I said. Both uh, might agree to this, because giving a evaluation is the breakfast of public speaking. Giving a positive and constructive feedback is an art which has to be mastered, and you both have done so well, Vivek and Christy. Kudos to you. Learning the art of evaluating speeches is a critical skill to develop as a public speaker also. This is also a skill which is required to develop as a public speaker. Not only does it helps to add value to the speaker, the one you are targeting, it also helps us to gain the insights into our own experiences. So, without any regular serving of feedbacks, it might be anywhere in an institute or in an organization or in any companies. There is likely to starve of productivity and innovation. So, feedbacks are very important. And before I go forward, I would like to take feedbacks from my tag team, which is very important. And today we are on time, I guess. Every meets we were lagging of timing, and everybody were on to the point and on time. So let me call my tag team to give their report. And these reports are very important for all of us to understand where we are lacking. So first, I would like to ask the timer to give his report.
Thank you, sir. Am I audible? Okay, thanks. Today's meeting timer report. Today's meeting started at 8, 8 o'clock, 4 minutes, and Sergeant at Arms Vivek Ram took 2 minutes. Presidential Address Christie took 5 minutes 30 seconds, and minutes reading Christie took 2 minutes. MC, that's overall, will be overall taken 6 minutes 30 seconds, and general evaluator Piyush Jain sir took 5 minutes overall, and myself Bhaskar Martit as a timer introduction I took 1 minute, and grammarian Kiran M took 1 minute for his introduction, and filler word counter Koteshwar took 2 minutes. Then prepared speech Aishwarya R, that is 5 minutes 30 seconds, and individual evaluator Pekram took 1 minute 30 seconds, and then individual evaluator Christie took 1 minute exact, and then prepared speech Nibedita speaks about 7 minutes 40 seconds. In the butterfly session, Vinod Raj overall butterfly session goes on 27 minutes, and Srishti speaks about 2 minutes 39 seconds. Satya Shankar speaks 3 minutes 15 seconds. Archita Sudan speaks 1 minute 30 seconds. And then Harsha Tantia speaks 1 minute 26 seconds. Kawana R speaks 1 minute 17 seconds. And Ram speaks 1 minute. And Akshay Kumar speaks 3 minutes 55 seconds. And Piyush Jain sir, as general evaluator, speaks 2 minutes in the butterfly session. So all are eligible for voting, but this one thing is that some people are exceed the time limit allotted to them. Please make sure that make sure that you have utilized the time which is allotted for you only. Don't grab the time of others. That's the thing. And current affairs, Harsha Tantia took 5 minutes 20 seconds. This is the timer report, sir. Thank you. Over to you, G.
Thank you, Bhaskar, for your very apt timer report. Now, I would like to call our counter to give his report.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Harsha used only one filler word and Srishti used 3 filler words, and Aishwarya uses filler words 2 times and 3 times, and 1 time, and so there are so repetitive words that she speaks again and again. And Bhaskar used 2 filler words and Srishti. So sorry, Surabhi uses 2 filler words 2 times and 3 times, and Piyush Jain sir uses 3 filler words and like. and Havana uses 3 kilowatts R and Kiran uses 2 kilowatts only R. Nivedita uses only 1 kilowatt R. Achita uses 2 kilowatts. One is and R. Yeah, for 2 times. And Ram uses 2 kilowatts R and R for 7 times and for 4 times. And Akshay Kumar uses more kilowatts. I think for 4 times, R for 15 times, and like 3 times, and 3 times, and more. This is the report, sir.
Thank you so much, Koteshwar. Excellent job you have done. One area of improvement is we can have an Excel sheet which could have been shared along after the meet, because this gives an importance, like where all we have used so many crutch words. A lot of A speakers also have this issue, but today it was very minimum used. Next, I would like to call the last tag team, the grammarian, for his report.
So I'm audible, sir.
Yes.
First of all, kudos to all of the participants. I have mistakes made by you. So the word of the day is amity, which means the friendly relationship between the people. It can be between the friends or between the wife and husband, anybody. So this word can be used with a sentence like examples, like, he has devoted his entire life to amity and harmony. We should live in peace and amity. So the amity word, the word of the day, has been used by in the meeting is the president, Christian Maria, and the MC Surabhi Dattatray. So some of the incorrect pronunciations are bad times, which should be pronounced as bad times. Used should be pronounced as farming, and examples should be pronounced as examples. Didn't should be pronounced as did not or didn't. And some of the incorrect usage of sentences like I have an innocent girl should be used as I was an innocent girl. Because of I, one person in a CA in my family, should be corrected as I am the only person studying a CA in my family. Some of the new words which is brought to the meeting is introvert, personal branding, engulf, ambience, and harmony. So one of the new statement brought by our G is Citus, Altus, and Photius, which means Citus means faster, Altus means higher, Photius means stronger. And I hope this report will help all of you to improve your communications in the future. So that's all from my side. Over to G, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
So much. Thank you so much, Kiran, and very good observations from you. And you have noted all the words and phrases which were used. And a little area of improvement would be we could have posted in the chat box for the usage of word of the day, phrase of the day, color of the day. We did not use it. Even I could not use it anywhere. But let us make this platform an amity platform where everybody could come and use these words, because when we get words instantly, it is very difficult to put in our scripts. And what we generally do in meeting is we appreciate whenever the word is used like this. I have seen in your meets only, which we then incorporated in other meets of ours. This was very good thing which you used to do. And whenever the word of the day is used, and for the guests who have come here, word of the day every week, they give a word of the day for the meeting, and it has to be used in your table topic, that is your butterfly speeches. So we encourage to use those words of the day, phrase of the day, all these things, so that you become an ace speaker. So overall, general evaluation from my side, first of all, I would like to acknowledge everyone, the entire team. You have done a wonderful job. It was not like a first-time speaker also spoke like a pro. The first speaker, Aishwarya. She told she was an introvert, but I don't think so. She's an introvert speaker. She told everything. She took us to her school days, to every corners of our life. So first, to know about the evaluation of her, I would call the target evaluator of Aishwarya to give his report.
It is my privilege to have individually evaluated Aishwarya. You started with the quote, "Be yourself as everybody is taken." You couldn't have used much. A quote is much more apt. You let us know how confident you are about yourself by telling this quote. You started with the meaning of your name. It was really nice, like what Aishwarya stands for. You let us know where you did your schooling, where you're from. Nice. And you also shared with us an incident where you lost your way back to home, if I'm not wrong. It was good. And you let us know the bond which you have with your sister. It was nice to know because we got to know how the environment at your home is. Like she takes off all things which you like, and you can't do anything because she's younger to you. It was nice to know that part. And you're very humble in letting us know that you're being an average student. I feel it was just the marks that were being awarded, and you're brilliant, and all of us are just amazing. And you are very proud of the fact that your parents are into farming, and we are equally proud of you being part of us. And thanks for your P1. It was nice. You have qualified for your P2. Only one thing to note is that you could improve on your flow. You did prepare yourself. We did notice that. And look continuously to the camera and not off of it. Yeah. This is my evaluation. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Vivek Ram. You were also the sergeant at arms, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is always said that the opening should be with a big bang and everything will go in a smooth flow. And you did it well. Your opening was outstanding and very gripping. One area of improvement, like we are all into this technology and also little echo is there at your side, so that we could have checked it on beforehand. And before moving to the second speaker, about the first speaker, it was your first speech, right?
Sir.
Did you speak anywhere else? Any
No,
other
sir.
platforms?
I'm
You're holding your mobile. Yeah, you're holding your mobile in your hand, I guess.
yes.
Yeah, having this in hand and speaking so well is outstanding, Aishwarya. I'm really acknowledge this. And if you had placed your mobile somewhere else, or if you had some other instrument, I don't know how best would be your speech. Being this first speech, I am also like I've given so many speeches. Every time I am very nervous, and your flow was awesome. Some area of improvements were there. You could have placed it. I am using a water bottle to place my mobile and kept my laptop as a standby. So these kinds of jugards, you can always do this. It will help you so that you can use your hands, as it is a first speech, level 1 speech. There are lots of speeches ahead where you will improve your gesture, postures, hand movements, body language, voice modulation, everything. You will be learning it. And do we mentor the speeches here?
Yes, sir, we do.
Okay. Was it mentored, your speech? You prepared it yourself, I guess.
No, sir. That Divya is also
Okay.
make some corrections in my speech.
Good. Kudos to the mentor also, because I see a lot of hard work has put into this speech, because you have covered every aspects of your life. It is an introductory speech. We call it as an icebreaker. You did it well. Good job. And the next prepared speaker, Nivedita Panda. Can I see you on video? And I would like to come on the cam, and I would request the evaluator for the speech to give his evaluation.
I'm privileged to be the individual evaluator for Nivedita, as she's my friend. And it's been long since I am seeing her speaking like this, and she's a pro. I should say that she's a pro speaker. And let me evaluate her speech. Her topic of the speech was importance of skill development and role of training in profession. And she has put forth many examples, including the Elon Musk and his teaching manner. And even she has started with a quote and ended with a quote. And she has. Yeah, I have few criterias which I have put the marks also. It would be out of 5. So the preparation, I will give 3 out of 5. And the organization of the speech, I will give 4 out of 5. And the opening, I will give 5 out of 5. And body, I will give 4 out of 5. And the conclusion, I will give 5 out of 5. And the transition, 4 out of 5. Because you were sticking to you had a specific point and you had good opening, body, and conclusion, and you have ended with a chord. So overall, it was very good. And the point of improvement is you have exceeded the time limit. You have taken 7 minutes 45 seconds, and you should have taken 7 minutes. You should have practiced a little more, so that you are a blessed speaker. So you can improve more if you work on your preparation and your time. That's it. Over to G.
Thank you, Christy Maria Babu, for your perfect evaluation and crisp pointings. I would request the target speaker whom we are speaking about. Are you there, Nivedita? Okay. Yeah, she is raising her hand. One way of communication here. I should tell you, it was a very well connected speech, and with all the present situation, you have so well connected all the elements. You have used so many things that I liked a lot. And for a speaker to connect and bring this present situation, it is very difficult to script it down. Like when you're giving a speech, to script the speech, to get the present situation and the presence of mind and the surroundings which we are into, the new normal. You have connected it with every elements. You have given all the different structures of speeches also you have used. Like you have brought a humor in it. You have connected with some of the ads. And the very favorite topic of mine is like skill development, which I always prefer to talk on, because today's skills are very important to become a pro. And your speech was too good, and kudos to you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're there. And quickly, I will move around from everybody. I would like to acknowledge each and everybody because everyone was too good. Even all the butterfly speakers, I really enjoyed all the speeches. So I'll take few minutes with the permission of the president to tell about each and everybody. Like I was talking about Citus, Altius, and Fortius. Faster, it means faster, higher, stronger. So let us together, as we are all here, together help each other, make an amity of atmosphere to move forward, to help each other in every path, wherever they need and help. Nivedita, if you can mute yourself. Thank you. President's address, Christy Maria Babu. Okay. You started with a story, your introduction, and the connected topic of Friendship Day. You took it very well, and you gave us so many things to be remembered, and so many words you have put in, like caring, empathy, trust, honesty, integrity, and the most important thing is listening. For a relation to build, or for a person to acknowledge the other side, it is always very important to listen to him, because everybody is like, okay, we listen something and we move on. But this will help the other one to improve himself. And that is why I focus a lot on evaluation. Evaluation is one such area where you learn so many things. Even we learn from your evaluations. You did a good job, Christy. Your presidential speech was good. Next, the minutes of the meeting. It was told by Srushti S. Charger. Every meeting I am seeing her, I've attended some 4 meetings. Every meet, there is so much of improvement. All the minutes are so well placed and so well scripted also. The last minutes which was prepared. It is prepared by the one person, or like you minutes are prepared by different people, or only one person prepares it?
It's prepared by me only, sir, but reviewed by all the committee members.
Okay, because I am reading your minutes whenever it is forwarded by your team, your committee, and in the group. The minutes are so well. It has even helped me to make my flow of evaluation. I was like, okay, what to be done, what not to be done, as I was traveling. But your minutes helped me. So this is very important. Anything, even today, when we are listening to all of you, I kept a book, a small notebook, which I borrowed from my cousin here in Chennai, and kept on noting good points, because all the butterfly speakers gave us so much of knowledge today. It is, and I'll come to that, each and every one. And your minutes were very crisp and to the point, covering everything. Kudos to you, Srusti. The YMC for today, we call them as TMOD in our clubs. Here, Yamosi or YMC. Surabhi Dattari. Very well flow you had. You have taken everything. You had a good presence of mind. You were coordinating very well. And the opening you made with a quote and Sanskrit shloka. I am a Sanskrit student for 5 years. And every shloka in Sanskrit, it is just 2 lines. But when we elaborate it, we can write a huge sentence and we can narrated it so well. But there is so much of learnings in every shloka. And one an anecdote or a quote which I adhere to it is Varna Matram Kalisidatam Guruhu. It is like even if a single word or something is taught by someone, he is a guru for us, and we should acknowledge him. And here, all the co-participants, I treat them as a co-learners. Everybody gave so many inputs. Kudos to you, Surbi, for your good YMC.
Thank you,
The
sir.
next, I would also acknowledge Monesh here. He's the listening master. I have to give it to you at the end, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he's a good listener, and he will ask us so many questions now. All of you, please be prepared, because I have seen him in 2-3 minutes, and the technology he uses, the video was prepared by you, I guess, and very
Surabhi has prepared the
beautiful.
video.
Okay, Surbi, very beautiful video, which was played today. And apart from the both speakers and the both evaluators, we should have encouraged to use the word of the day and encourage them by some gestures and clapping or some emojis we could have used. And next, the table topic master, the butterfly master. He was looking like a radio jockey, a person who was full of energy. And this Sunday morning, you have made my day, bro. And bringing all the elements into it. Wow. And your nature and your approach made every speaker to come and speak, because everyone was offline. You called everybody. Good job at your end. And topics were very well connected, very well connected to our fraternity and to the situations. Very well chosen topics. And let me congratulate all the butterfly speakers. I should tell you, you were all the pro speakers. You spoke so well, starting from Shrusti. You gave it in a so humble manner, communicating the topic. And Shankar, you gave so much of knowledge in your butterfly speech. You should take the speaker roles and evaluator roles in further meetings, because you have great content and which is to be shared. Kudos to you, Shankar. And Archita, the first time speaker, I guess. You were for the first time. But you were not like any first speaker. You spoke so well. All your contents were so properly placed and and the beginning which you made, I was like scripting something. Oh, what did you say? The entire focus shifted when you took the table topic not in a, like, you did not start with the topic, you started with the flow. So that is also one of the important elements. Whenever you speak, you start with the flow, gives a different pinch in it. Harsh, you were also too good, you spoke well. And Kavana, you had a great presence of mind, you could use it so well. Kudos to you. And Trivikram, Akshay Kumar, all were too good. And next, the current affairs. You were very crisp, and you were a little fast. Not that fast, but you could have used some pauses and some some elements could have been used, like a PPT or a small presentation or a Word file where you could have highlighted some points. Because using these technology all together will help everybody to retain some of the things, because you were in a flow. You told every important aspects which were very useful. Kudos to you, Harsh. And the next is general evaluator as per my notings. Timer, I've told about you. Grammarian, I've told about you. And fill a word counter. So next, I would request listener for today to come and take the role.
Thank you, GE. Since I could not introduce I didn't introduce the today's as a listener, I will be noting down the points and I will be giving the questions. So everyone be ready with your chat box. The fastest finger first will be the winner of the will be the listener, best listener. Okay. My first question. Christie, in her presidential speech, she told a story. What are the character names of the in the story? Srishti. And in Christie, in her presidential speech, she said about 3 traits in friendship. What are the 3? What are they? No. All three traits. No, it's I'll tell you. Wait. No, you're too close, Bhaskar. Okay, no one gets. I will get the point. The answer is trait of forgiveness, trait of caring, and trait of integrity. Yeah, Christy, but you will not be eligible. And our G Piyush Jain, he's from which city? Which place? Yeah. Surabhi. What is the motto of our Olympics? No. Yeah, Prince Punmia. It's faster, higher, and stronger. In today's meet, who gave her P1? Yeah, it's Vinod. What is the topic on which Nibedita gave her speech? No, I wanted the full topic name. Can anyone? Full topic name. other than individual evaluator? No. I will tell you the answer. And this goes for me. Importance of skill development and role of training in profession. And the last one, it's between Srushti, Surabhi, Prince Vinod. 4 people. Quote used by Aishwarya in her P1. At the beginning of her speech. No, only 4 people are eligible. Srushti, Surabhi, Prince and Vinod. Yes. Surabhi. Yeah. You are the best listener of the meet. Congratulations, Surabhi.
Thank you so much, Maunesh. I thank GE for very nice evaluation and scope of giving a suggestion for scope of improvement. And I think Maunesh should be the listener for few this thing because he is the one who will be getting best listener for the meet. Only when he becomes the listener, it thus gets the chance to become the best listener of the meet.
I got a hat trick in listener.
Exactly, that is what. To break that ice, you must be given the role of listener so that you give other person also the chance. Okay, thank you so much, Maunesh. I request Christy Maria Babu to give the closing remarks.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Before starting my closing remarks, I request Maunesh to post the link of the voting link in the chat box.
Yeah, just.
Okay. So everyone, please do vote through the link which Maunesh is gonna post right now. And for my closing remarks, first of all, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our G, Mr. Piyush Jain. Just after calling, messaging him, he just accepted our request and he was very eager and happy to attend our meet. He was such a humble person, which is always available whenever we need his help or his presence in our meet. And I request everyone to give a big round of applause to Mr. Piyush Jain, our G. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to express my gratitude to all my committee members who are there always with me. And we as a group has done this. And thank you so much for everyone for being with me. And as a team, we have done. And I'm very proud to say that we committee members are doing our best in to our forum. And we are showing what we have to do. We are showing justice to our forum. I'm very happy for that. And thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. And next, I would like to thank all the newcomers who have been present at the meet. And I have seen many new faces for today's forum, like Tika Raman, then Satya, and Prince Punima, Rohit BM, and many other people who has come. So it's our custom is to invite all the newcomers to speak about our forum and how do you feel about the forum. Now I would like to speak a few words. Over to you, Satya. Satya, are you there?
Your audio is not audio. Can you please repeat?
Okay. Am I audible?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. Over to you, Satya.
Like, what was your question? Actually, I just heard my name because I had a issue with the audio issue was there.
Okay, it's our custom to invite the newcomers who used to be new to the forum to speak about our forum and how do you feel about our meet throughout the meet of the past 2 hours.
Okay, perfect. Like honestly, like I'm from Delhi, but my roots are from South Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Like in Delhi, we have NIRC and have participated in a lot of events. And we have such debate competitions and recently CA student conference and paper presentation. A lot of activities are there. But I feel like what you people are doing is really great because it's an opportunity for all, and like it's on a weekly basis. Like here, we need to wait for 1 year. Like on a yearly basis, it happens, and I was like I have participated from like the day I have joined my inter classes in 2019. So once in a year it happens, and we just prepare for that 1 month, and it's over. Although we are in college, so we get a bit of other opportunities as well. But otherwise, just think about my friends in the fraternity who are only doing to the CA. But what you people have done is really immense because every week there is some addition. We are doing something different. And I was very fascinated with when I came to know that, yeah, there is a forum. I was in the group, but previously I was just, okay, I was just clicking the end button, okay, the chats are over. But recently I just gone through that, okay, it's very valuable thing. I have just gone through a minute the PDF what we have shared over the group. And like it's like what I feel is that over the period of time, definitely we all are going to be developed as a great speakers because if we want to be tomorrow's leaders, then definitely we need to be a great communicator. Because if we are not able to communicate, then how can we lead the group of people and make sure that the correct task is performed and the results are obtained. And if you look at the top and eminent personalities around the world who are in whether in taxation or audit, every domain, they need to be a great speaker. And whether technically sound or not, yeah, 50% technically, but at the same time, when you are a great speaker, then only your sales skill will develop. Because if you look at a big four partner or someone like that, they just say like, okay, you want audit services, okay, just take tax services as well. So sales as well also need to be developed simultaneously. So like I personally, I will definitely be a part of it every time from now onwards, be a regular consistent. If next week, I think the debate competition is also there, and I think hello, yeah, and CA overall India is also conducting. So let's see, like definitely I will be a regular visitor, and I will just convey to my friends here as well that we have such a wonderful forum, without having a regional disparities. Like one of our friend mentioned regarding that everyone should know Kannada language, but I feel definitely I will convey with my friends that like we have such a wonderful forum, and I think that more people will join in future as well. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Satya. Now I would like to call Mr. Tika Raman. Are you there?
Hello.
Hello. Yes, it's all good.
Yeah. So this was my first session in the Sikasa Speakers Forum. I got link from my orientation course. So I was planning to join from many days. I mean many weeks. I could not join because of some busy schedule I had. And today I got some time. Just I got joined late, but I wanted to join this, so I joined, and I felt very good about this forum. Everyone is getting a different role, and the evaluator is also present. We can improve ourselves a lot. So I think I should continue with it. Thank you. Such a huge opportunity it is for us. Thank you.
Thank you, Tika Raman. Hope to see you in the
And
upcoming
hello.
Hello.
One thing more.
Yes, you can speak up.
My name is not Tikram, just like you spelled.
Okay, it's Tikaram.
It's Tikma Ram.
Oh,
So
Maram. Okay. I'm
yeah,
sorry.
I think it's a spelling mistake over in my name.
Okay, I'm sorry for that.
Yeah, it's okay.
Now I would like to call Lalita. Lalita, are you there? Lalita, are you there? Yes, Bhaskar, you can speak up.
Regarding Lalita is the secretary in our Pikasa committee. Yesterday we met her and introduced to Pikasa Speaker Forum. I think she had class. I think she joined, but in between she went left the meet. I think. Christy, you are not audible. Unmute yourself.
Anyone who want to speak up and who didn't get any chance in the butterfly session or the prepared speaker session, anyone can speak up right now. This is like an opportunity where you can you're getting an opportunity to speak up. So opportunities are like ice cream, so taste it before it melts.
Yeah.
Is,
So,
is there any-
hello everyone.
hello
Lalita here.
Yes, yes.
Is my voice audible? Thank you. So, Lalita here. Yesterday, I just attended the AGM in Bangalore branch and have been elected as the secretary for the new member team committee. So, this was my first virtual, So, it was very nice, though I had my costing class on the other side. So, I just cut short that and then was in between was listening to the presentations. It was very good. Quite inspiring and motivating. So looking forward for more presenters and see to that what value adds we can bring in more, right? So that is one of the expectations, and I'll see to that how far we can also support and bring in more and more speakers over here with a different kind of topics. Yeah, thank you. And happy Friendship Day to one and
Yeah, happy Friendship Day.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Now, is there anyone who want to speak up? Okay, so the voting link is already there. So we will wait for 1 more minute so that everyone can give their vote.
Christy, I would like to announce one thing.
Over to you, Bhaskar.
Thank you. Regarding that debate competition and quiz competition in the Bangalore branch, CASA is conducting quiz and allocation. And who the quiz is for one group. It's 2 members including one group, and the posters and related all subjects for allocation and the conditions for a quiz and all will circulate as soon as possible. And one more thing is that if you select, if first and second prize who get in the branch level will be represented in regional level, and if you win in the regional level, they will be represented national level also. So that is the main criteria. Please participate. I think it's virtual only. I think you can participate from anywhere also. No issue with that. You need not to come to branch also. So make sure that you utilize the opportunity which is provided by branch. Thank you, one and all.
Now, I would like to announce another thing. Like Satya has said, we have already planned that we are going to conduct the debate competition on 8th and 15th. But since our Sikasa Bengaluru is organizing the talent hunt, so we will be not having the meets for the next meet. And everyone, I request everyone to participate in the talent hunt, which is going to happen in the next week, that is 8th of August. That will be conducted by Sikasa Bengaluru, and please be a part of all the events which is happening there. And I guess the posters will be sent in a group for that. So we won't be having any meets of our SSF because we are connected to Sikasa Bengaluru. And whenever an event or something is happening in Sikasa Bengaluru, we won't be conducting our meets so that everyone can attend the Sikasa contest. So the talent hunt is basically is having 3 events, I guess. One is instrumental, the other one is elocution competition, and the other one is quiz competition. So everyone, please do utilize the opportunity. Please do enroll yourself and come out with colors because who knows, you are gonna be the winner. Okay, I guess everyone has voted, and now you can announce the results. Manish, over to you, Manish.
Yeah. Winners of the meet, the best prepared speaker, Nivedita Panda. Congratulations, Nivedita. And the best role player, Butterfly Master, Vinod Raj. And best butterfly speaker, Satya Shankar. Congratulations, Satya Shankar. And finally, the best individual evaluator, Christy Maria Babu. Congratulations, Christy.
Thank you. That's it, right? And the debate competition we are planning to conduct on 15th and 22nd because we have shifted to the next week. So we will be updating with all the data regarding that. So by the time, if any people having any suggestions, we will be taking up the suggestions and the roll takers for 15th. That we will be sending the links to everyone and in the groups. Personally, we will be sending, and in the groups also we will be sending. Please enroll yourself and grab the opportunities. And even the debate competition, about the debate competition, I'm gonna give a vague idea of how it will be. Like it will be inter-branch competition. So we'll be having around 10 teams, and each team contain two team members. And then we'll be selecting the branches, and we will be taking from different branches. Only two people are allowed to contest in that, and that's it about it. And if you need any further details about it, you can contact any of our committee members. We are ready to help you out in it. That's it. So now it's 10:05, no 10:06 right now. So everyone's time value the most. So we value everyone's time. So I don't want to waste any one of your time. It's already 7 minutes. So further, if there is anything urgent you have to speak up, you can speak up. Otherwise, we will wind up. Let's wind up, right? Okay, guys. Wishing you happy Friendship Day once again. Signing off. Bye, bye, guys.
Happy Friendship Day.
Bye. Bye.
Happy Friendship Day, guys.
Happy Friendship Day, guys.
What, Monash?